Hey, what's up? It's Dan here, and it's Monday, and we are starting the day off with a Mini Cooper ECU flash. This is a 2008 Mini Cooper S, 1.6 liter turbo, and we are doing an ECU tune with the VRTuned tool, so we're able to easily read and write via the diagnostic port. So we've connected the car here all up. I've got the OBD2 cable plugged in right down there. You can see it flashing, and we've got the VRTuned tool started here. So we've gone through the steps to get to the ID part. Now we're going to read the ECU memory, get the original file out so we can make the tune, and then we will load that back to the car. So stay tuned for that. We're doing a Mini Cooper S today. This is a 2008. We're using the VRTuned tool. It's an MED 17.2. So that just connects to the OBD2 port and reads out the data area so we can make the tune. So pretty simple. It's about a 3-minute read to read the data area. Once we get that, we'll be able to make the tune and then flash back the new file through the OBD2. You can switch between tuned and stock file, and the BMW iFlash does use the diagnostic features too, so you can read and clear check engine lights. So again, this is a 2008 Mini Cooper S, 1.6 liter turbo. Really fun car, of course, and even tuned even better. So once this read finishes, then we'll show you the write process. All right, tune file is here. We're gonna flash the tune file. Saved it here into our downloads. Double click the file, and it's gonna begin programming. This is the data area only, so it's 128 kilobytes. So you can see we have the cable plugged in, and it's flashing, so we're going through the programming sequence. You don't ever want to interrupt the programming sequence because this could cause the ECU to be bricked. So it's programming right now. We got about 22 seconds left, and once we're done, it'll take the 1.6 liter turbo, 184 horsepower, up to just over 215 about. So pretty good difference with the VRTuned on the Mini. And definitely changes how this thing drives. So, all right, we're done here. So now we just need to wait for it, and it'll ask us to turn off the car. So we'll switch that off. Ignition is off. Let that do its countdown. And that helps complete the programming sequence, so it'll tell us the ECU has been successfully completed. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. And now we just need to go in here and start the car and make sure everything works. So we will take the key out. Oops. Put the key back in. Brake on and fire it up. There we go, got it all programmed. Keys in, car revs up nicely. So we'll cycle it just a couple times, make sure everything's all good, and then that's it. That's how you program the Mini Cooper S, 1.6 liter, 2007 to 2013 car. The 2010 to 2013 actually can only be done on the bench, so they have to be done boot mode. But the 2007 through 2009 can be done through the port. So any questions, let us know. Check out vividracing.com and of course VRTuned.com.